Okay, our next problem is number 18. And number 18 deals with a circle. It's very important, students, that when you are looking at these questions about the circle and their relationship with diameter, circumference, radius, all those things, you need to be familiar with those things and how they all relate to one another. They're like a family. And just like how you relate to your sisters, brothers, and your parents, circles have parts of them, just like your family has parts. Circumference is one part. It's related to the diameter in a certain way. The diameter is related to a radius in a certain way. So, in this question, it says, how many times greater is a circle's circumference than its diameter? Well, right now, I'm going to tell you that the two choices that you're probably going to go between are H and J. And the only difference between the two is that this one says pi, and this one puts it in numerical numbers, which is 3.14. Well, what this one doesn't include is that pi is not just 3.14, but it goes on and on and on and on and on. And so it's more accurate for us to say pi and more exact for us to say pi than it is for us to say 3.14, because that is just a shortened form of pi. So this is actually the best answer. So Merry Christmas. We're giving you another answer. 18 is H.